dear viewer, I want to specially welcome you to CodeVased. My name is Harrison and I am a member of CodeVase. Now here at CodeVase, we code our way into the future. So how do we do that? So we are a team of tech instructors who specialize in teaching about technologies. So we teach about WordPress, we teach you about HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, and Python, and anything that has to do with technology. So it's a great opportunity that you are watching this video because you are the next person that will start coding your way into the future. So are you watching this video right now? I would like you to follow us on YouTube. I would also like you to follow us on all the social media handles that we are in. So we currently are offering free web development classes to everyone. I mean everyone, and you are actually included. So here is what we do. We are a team of instructors who specialize in different fields, and we are going to be teaching you for free how to build websites using WordPress. We're also going to be teaching you on how to build websites using PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even Python as well. So are you interested in becoming the next web developer? Now here is an opportunity that you have actually been waiting for. Don't miss this opportunity, because if you do, you may not have this opportunity elsewhere again. I know why I'm saying this. These classes are actually very free. You don't pay any money. All you just need to do is get your laptop, get your phone, get your data on, and make sure you have your light to watch all our videos. All our videos are very educative and they are very interactive. How is it interactive? It's interactive in the sense that on every videos that we make sure that we receive questions from you, and on a daily basis we compile these questions, and our instructors are on ground to always answer to all of the questions that you will be asking in the course of these classes. So you don't need to miss this opportunity. You also have the chance to meet up with other students as well who will also be learning from us, because we are going to be teaching you on how you can actually become a web developer right from the comfort of your home. So you don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to begin to browse here and there. This is a great opportunity you have actually been waiting for. And I would like you to subscribe to our channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post our educative videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Remember, it is not just only me. We have professionals in the tech world who are going to be coming on board to give you the best tutorials that you have been looking out for free. Remember that, for free. I would like you to share this video to your friends and to your families. Share to everyone who is interested in knowing more about technologies, because we'll not only be teaching you about web development, we're also going to be coming up with tech related contents that are of beneficial to you. So I would like to see you in the WhatsApp group, where we are going to be attending to all questions related to any video that we will be posting. So I would like to see you there, and I also like you to share this video as well. So see you at the top, and see you coding your way into the future. My name remains Harrison. See you at the top.